Namaste. Today, I, Kashish of Class Plus 2 Commerce, welcome you all in the morning assembly of St. Vivekanand Millennium School. Today is 2nd September 2021. Now, I would request our Sanskrit teacher, Mr. Sunil Dutt Gautam, for today's Panchang. Namaste, sir.
नमस्ते कशिश। आज के पंचांग के अनुसार विक्रमी संवत 2078, शक संवत 1943, आज भाद्रपद माह के कृष्ण पक्ष की दशमी तिथि है, अर्थात अजा एकादशी का व्रत कल है। आज का नक्षत्र मृगशिरा, आज का योग वज्र है। प्रविष्टि की बात करें तो आज भाद्रपद माह के 17 प्रविष्टे घटित हो रहे हैं। मुस्लिम माह मुहर्रम की आज 24 तारीख है। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir. Now it's the time for prayer. I would request all of you to close your eyes and join your hands for the prayer.
All classes be ready for Gayatri Mantra. All classes be ready for prayer.
एक ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निरभौ निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजूनी सैभं गुर प्रसाद जप आद सच जुगाद सच है भी सच नानक होसी भी सच। सोचे सोच न होवै जे सोचे लखवार चुप्पे चुप न होवै जे लाए रहा लिवतार भुखिया भुख न उतरी जे बन्ना पुरिया पार सह सियाणपा लख होए तां इक न चले नाल किव सचियारा होइए किव कूड़े टुटे पार हुक्म रजाई चलना नानक लिखिया ना हुक्मी होवन आकार हुक्म न कहिया जाए हुक्मी होवन जी हुक्म मिले वड्याई हुक्मी उत्तम नीच हुक्म लिख दुख सुख पाइए इक ना हुक्मी बख्शीश एक हुक्मे सदा पवाइए, हुक्मे अंदर सबको, बाहर हुक्म न कोए। नानक हुक्मे जे बुझे, ताहू मैं कहे न कोए।
अस्तो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। Be ready for national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा, जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
Now I would invite Yuvani Tomar of class 2nd B for the World Coconut Day awareness.
Have a coconut and be healthy. It's a World Coconut Day. Namaste. Myself Yuvani Tomar and I am student of class 2nd B. Today I am going to aware you about a World Coconut Day. Today is World Coconut Day. The main objective of celebrating this day is to create awareness across the globe about the importance of the coconut and its benefits. The first celebration of World Coconut Day was in the year 2009. The theme of World Coconut Day this year is Invest in Coconut to Save the World. In India, Kerala tops the production in coconut, but Tamil Nadu and Karnataka are also picking up in this sector. The National Board is also overseeing the production and development of value-added varieties from coconut like soft drinks, chips and jams. Handicrafts based on coconut shell and wood are also being given further encouragement. There is one saying like coconut keep illness away from our body. That is true. Happy World Coconut Day. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Yuvani. Now I would invite Shrishti Sharma of class plus 2 commerce for the life role achievements of Indian scientist APJ Abdul Kalam.
Namaste, respected principal sir, teachers and my dear friends. I am Srishti Sharma, a student of class plus 2 commerce from St. Vivekanand Millennium School. Today I am here to present my views on the topic Life Role and Achievement of Indian Scientists. APJ Abdul Kalam, Abul Pakir Jainuddin Abdul Kalam, was an Indian aerospace scientist who served as the 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007. He was born on 15 October 1931 in a Tamil Muslim family in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. His father was a boat owner and imam of local mosque. His mother was a housewife. Kalam was youngest of 4 brothers and 1 sister in his family. His ancestors had been usually wealthy, but the family had lost most of its fortune by 1920 and was poverty-stricken by the time Kalam was born. As a young boy, he had to sell newspapers in order to add to family's low income. In his school years, Kalam had average grades but was described as bright and hard-working student who had a strong desire to learn. He spent hours on study, especially on mathematics. He graduated in physics in 1954. He moved to Madras in 1955 to study aerospace engineering in Madras Institute of Technology. After graduating from Madras Institute of Technology in 1960, Kalam joined the Aeronautical Development Establishment of the Defense Research and Development Organization (DRDO). Kalam was also part of the committee working under Vikram Sarabhai, renowned space scientist. In 1969, Kalam was transferred to the Indian Space Research Organization (ISRO), where he was the project director of India's first satellite launch vehicle SLV-3. Between 1970 and 1990s, Kalam made an effort to develop the PSLV 111 projects, both of which proved to be successful. Kalam played an integral role in convincing the true nature of aerospace projects. The research and education leadership brought him great laurels and prestige in the 1980s. He served as Chief Scientific Advisor to the Prime Minister from July 1992 to December 1999. Media coverage of Kalam during this period made him the country's best known nuclear scientist. Kalam received 7 honorary doctorates from 40 universities. The Government of India honored him with Padma Bhushan in 1981 and Padma Vibhushana in 1990 for his work in ISRO and DRDO. In 1997, he received India's highest civilian honor, the Bharat Ratna, for his contribution to scientific research and modernization of defense technology in India. In 2013, he was the recipient of the Von Braun Award for the National Space Society. Kalam served as the 11th President of India from 25th July 2002 to 25th July 2007. He was People's President. On 25th July 2015, Kalam collapsed while delivering a lecture at Indian Institute of Management in Shillong. He was declared dead due to sudden cardiac arrest. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Shrishti. Now I would invite Shruti of class 6th for the word of the week.
ਨਮਸਤੇ। ਅੱਜ ਦਾ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਹੈ ਹਫੜਾ ਦਫੜੀ। ਹਫੜਾ ਦਫੜੀ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਦੀ ਉਪ ਬੋਲੀ ਦਾ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਹੈ। ਇਸ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਦੀ ਵਰਤੋਂ ਉਦੋਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਜਦੋਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਮੁਸੀਬਤ ਵਿੱਚ ਭਾਗ-ਦੌੜ ਮਚਦੀ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਰੌਲਾ ਰੱਪਾ ਪੈ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ। ਅੱਜ ਦਾ ਵਾਕ ਹੈ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਹਫੜਾ ਦਫੜੀ ਦੇ ਸਮੇਂ ਸਮਝਦਾਰੀ ਨਾਲ ਕੰਮ ਲੈਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ। ਧੰਨਵਾਦ। ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਅੱਜ ਦਾ ਦਿਨ ਵਧੀਆ ਬੀਤੇ। ਨਮਸਤੇ।
Thank you, Shruti. Now it's the time to wish our birthday students. Today is the birthday of Chirag Sharma of class plus 2 Commerce, Rishita Sharma of class 4th B, Himanshu Sharma of 3rd A, and Aradhya of class 2nd B. Let's wish them by singing the birthday song.
सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुम्हें मुबारक खुशियाँ सालों साल की। सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुम्हें मुबारक खुशियाँ सालों साल की। तुमको है जीवन में बढ़ते ही जाना, तुमको है जीवन में बढ़ते ही जाना। तुम हो सुंदर बूंद उसके नाम की, तुम हो सुंदर बूंद उसके नाम की। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Our principal sir, vice principal ma'am, teachers and parents all are giving their blessings to you. Stay happy and healthy. That's all for today's assembly. Stay safe and healthy. Thank you.